We're just minutes from Durham in the northeast of England, touring one of the largest homes on this entire estate, which is priced at £575,000. This is a brand new double-fronted 5-bedroom detached home offering over 2,000 square feet of living space. However, you don't need £575,000 to get this home, you'll only need a fraction of that. The first thing you'll notice is the scale. That symmetrical frontage gives a timeless and executive feel. And being one of the largest plots here, you have this generous driveway, plenty of off-street parking, and also a garage with remote-controlled access. I can't wait to show you inside. Those full-height windows aren't just for aesthetics, they flood the interior with natural light. So follow me and let's head inside. Welcome inside, and this is exactly what you want from a modern entrance hall. It feels so spacious in here, very bright, very airy, and we have this feature oak staircase, which is one of the first things you see when you walk in. Looks gorgeous, and also because of the glass panels here, it means the natural light still floods in this whole area. The size in here is pretty incredible. You have lots of space to maneuver, pretty good height ceilings as well. Also on this floor, there's a formal lounge, a study, and also a downstairs toilet. But you might have noticed straight behind me, that leads to your open plan areas, which I'm so excited to show you, so follow me. Wow, look at this for your open plan living spaces. This is so expansive and so much beautiful natural light coming in too. Now it's been set up into a few different zones. So you've got your dining area, your lounge area, and also your kitchen. So let's head over there first. They've opted for a shaker style kitchen, which feels very classic and timeless, but it's so interesting to see what different developers opt for. We've seen a lot here on the New Build Show, and that's what we love doing, sharing all of the options with you guys. So if you do have a development that you'd like more people to know about, get in touch with us on hello@thenewbuildshow.com and your development could be featured next. But anyways, back to this beautiful kitchen. In here, you have all of the modern features that you'd expect, starting with an island, which for me is a non-negotiable. Such a sociable feature and is definitely going to be well used. Another thing that I love is that they've added the induction hob in the island, which just makes it so much more sociable in here. You're not facing a wall when you're cooking, you're facing into the room and you can chat to your guests. You'll know by now, we love to check out the storage options, and this one has a lot. So as you can see here, that will be great for your spices. And the thing I was most impressed by was the full height fridge and freezer just there. Definitely could get a lot in there. Then just down here, you've also got your integrated appliances. So this is a double oven by Hotpoint. More storage options as we go further down. Could definitely get a lot in there. Over on this side of the kitchen, you have lots of handy prep space. Now this is placed really nicely just in front of the big window, so natural light coming in. But also this is such a great layout for a busy family because you could have someone here prepping the food, you could have someone over there cooking on the island. Works really well for a busy family without it being too crowded in here. There's also some handy storage options in here as well underneath the sink there. And then just here, you've got your integrated dishwasher. If this wasn't enough storage, there is also a utility room just through here. So let me go and show you. This is pretty much an extension of your kitchen. Lots of handy storage space and the same shaker style units that we saw in the kitchen. Now in here, we also have space for your washer and dryer. So it means the kitchen can stay looking nice and clean. There's side access here too, and also access to your garage. Just off the kitchen, you have your dining area, which seats 8 people. And this is relaxed enough for everyday use, but also formal enough if you do want to host a dinner party. This would definitely be a great house to host. And once you find out how much this house could cost you, I'm sure you would be hosting a dinner party to celebrate. Now, just off the dining table, you have a lounge section. So let's go and have a look. The lounge area is absolutely flooded with natural light. It almost feels like the garden is part of the room with those lovely bifold doors there. Now, although it's part of the open plan spaces, this does feel quite separate and it feels quite cozy. They've gone for quite earthy tones in here, and I love the little pops of green too. Now, I haven't mentioned yet, but everything in this home does come included as well. So all of this would be yours. As usual, a new build garden is something that will attract a lot of comments. However, I think this one is actually a pretty decent size. It's not huge, but it is south facing, so it gets beautiful sunlight all throughout the day. It feels private out here thanks to those trees behind me, and you have a mix of lawn here on my left and also this patio area. That would be a great spot for some seating. You can imagine how nice this space would be on a summer's day, but it is pretty cold today, so let's make the most of the side access and head back inside. Back in the hallway now, as I mentioned earlier, there is a handy downstairs toilet just there, and then on my right at the front of the house is the more formal living area. It feels a lot more traditional in here and a bit more posh, so this is maybe where you take your guests over if they're coming around to watch a film. Now in here you have lots of lovely natural light coming in, and also it's really nice to have a space like this off the main living area so you can get a bit more cozy and intimate in here. But also this is actually over 20 feet long, so a really great size. With more and more people working from home now, having a big study like this, which is 10 by 14 feet, actually makes a big difference. This would be a lovely place to get away from the rest of the family and crack on with some work. This room is quite versatile though. Whether you wanted this as a bedroom, a home gym, a separate snug, there is plenty of options. Okay, that's it for the ground floor, but there are 5 bedrooms to explore upstairs, so follow me. Welcome upstairs onto your very spacious gallery landing. This is such a great size. Doesn't feel like a cramped 5-bedroom layout. There is so much space to roam around. Now we've switched the carpet up here for more of a cozier feel. And up here we have 5 bedrooms to explore. So there's 2 guest rooms just behind me, the main bedroom just there, a games room and another very large guest bedroom. First of all, let's head on into this one right here. In here is a proper double bedroom. This isn't a box room, it's actually a really great size. Now I was thinking in here, to make it even better, I would personally add some built-in storage just there behind me. There's plenty of options to add different things into each of these bedrooms, and I'm sure you wouldn't mind doing so when you find out how much you could get it for. Now just opposite there is another guest room, so let me go and show you. Into guest bedroom number 2. Now this one's slightly larger than the last one, such a great size, and this one really benefits from that lovely natural light coming in through the windows. I think this is where I'd personally put my guests. Back on the landing now, you also have this really cute little area here, which would be the perfect place to read a book. Now those 2 bedrooms that you've just seen share the family bathroom, so let's go and have a look at that. This bathroom feels very clean and contemporary with those large format neutral tiles. It feels almost spa-like in here, very calming and well considered. In here you have your walk-in shower, a freestanding bath, a wall-mounted toilet and also a sink area. Now for the most fun room up here, let me show you the games room. As you can see, this is currently set up as a bit of a games room, which would work really well. As you can see, you could play a bit of table football in here. You could have a pool table in here. You could even add a bar, which would be pretty cool. Great spot for your friends to come and hang out away from the rest of the family. Equally though, this would work really well as a bedroom if you did need the extra space. Okay, next up I'm going to show you one of 2 bedrooms which could be your main bedroom, but just so you can get a better idea of how spacious this landing is, there's also 2 very handy storage cupboards here which actually go back pretty deep, so that would be great for your suitcases, anything like that that you want out of the way. But let me show you this bedroom here. This is an impressive sized bedroom, and as I mentioned, you could have 2 bedrooms up here to choose as your principal suite. This one would be my second favourite, but let me know in the comments which ones you would choose. Now this one benefits from its own ensuite just behind me there, and also a separate room there which could be a desk area or a walk-in wardrobe. But personally I think this would work really well for older children or guests. Now follow me through to what I've named the principal suite. This is such a generously sized bedroom. You'll immediately notice the floor space. I mean, even with a king-size bed, there is so much circulation space. It is huge in here. They've gone for quite a calming colour palette in here as well, which is exactly what you want in your bedroom. But there's some gorgeous natural light coming in from those windows behind me and gives you a green outlook. And to go with that, they've added this deep olive upholstered headboard, which adds warmth and character. It's been styled simply, but it shows you how much space you actually have to personalise. They've also added a vanity section in here, but my favourite part of this room is actually just around the corner. What a great walk-in wardrobe area this is, and to show you how you could use the space, they've added this nice chest of drawers here, and remember, everything does come included. But for me personally, I'd be going for some nice built-in storage here, a nice big mirror, and maybe even an island in the middle. In here you also have your walk-in shower, and they've gone for this vertical slatted wood feature wall, which adds a bit of warmth and texture against the stone tiles. You also again have your wall-mounted toilet, adds a premium feel, and your sink area. Okay, that was a tour of one of the largest homes here in Thornley. I hope you have enjoyed. Now, I know I've been teasing throughout this tour that you could get the home for a lot less than what it's worth. That is because it's part of a competition with 7 days performance, meaning you've had the chance to win it for just £1.99. So if you're feeling lucky and you'd like to enter, all of the information will be in the description box below. And remember, if you are a developer and you'd like more people to know about your development, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us on hello@thenewbuildshow.com. But for now, we'll see you in the next tour.
Hey New Build Show, I'm Tim, and today we're in the vibrant and charming West London village of Chiswick. Now, we're stood right outside Keble Homes' brand new development, and we're going to be doing a comparison today between a one-bed apartment priced at £525,000 and a two-bed apartment priced at £635,000.